Are you using a confidence game to grow and supersize your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Obviously not great at sleight of hand, but the only example I could think of for a confidence game, once I figured out what the real meaning of it was the old shell trick or the acorn trick that's hidden under the cups, and you have to figure out, and they have really quick hands, sleight of hand, and you have to guess which one the acorn or the rock, in this case I used a little rock, is underneath. So I thought that a confidence game was something positive that you did to build and grow and supersize your business. Lo and behold, I was absolutely 100% wrong. A confidence game is a scam or a con or a grift. So think Ocean's 11, Ocean's 12, if you've seen either of those movies, or a way to win someone's confidence so that they believe in you so that you can use them as a mooch to run your con or to defraud them. So I would hope that none of us are using such tactics to grow and build and supersize our business. But I would say some of us may inadvertently be doing that. If you are over-promising and under-delivering, that is sort of a con game you're playing on your customers and the people that you serve. If you are using any unethical or, maybe across the line business practices, that's running a con game, maybe on the people that are involved in your business, your partners, your people that you serve, your customers, your vendors, your suppliers, etc. So we want to be careful to be looking for those things, which is something that I never even thought to look for. I like to choose my partners and I choose the people that I do business with really, really well. But I, like most of us, have fallen for scams and cons in the past, and so I'm much more on the lookout for them now. But I want to make sure that I'm never building anything unethical or immoral or illegal into how I'm building and growing and supersizing my business. So this was an eye-opener to me. It's been around probably as long as con men and con women have been around, and I guess I never thought that con is short for confidence when in con man and con artist. So I'm sure we'll talk about that. That's a confidence related idiom, and it wasn't until I researched this one today that I realized, oh, con is taken in the negative form of confidence, building confidence so you can take advantage of people or manipulate them instead of building confidence to build them up and make the world a better place. So I'm curious if you've heard this or experienced this particular idiom and expression before. I've never heard it called a confidence game, and that's how you take advantage of people, but now I know and will be on the lookout for it. It's our confidence-related idiom for today. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another confidence-related idiom and expression for the month of August. Have a great day. Bye.